Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenFit 2 Plus earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's put these earbuds in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in a case. Let me open up the lid. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, green, orange. However, I get a solid green light and then it goes off. The reason for me is because I'm currently connected to one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? So both the buds are in a case and there's a little button right there. I'm gonna press and hold that button until the light here starts blinking green, orange, green, orange, green, orange. So button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, green, orange, green, orange. There we go, now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TV, go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote. If not, you can navigate to the gear icon off of your home page. Just click on the home button on the remote, and then once you're here, you just navigate to the top right hand side. So let me go up here. Now I'm going to move over all the way to the right. Settings, okay that. And then from there, you want to go down to remotes and accessories, all the way down here. Select that. And then we're going to select add accessory. And then you want to move over to OK, because the buds are already in pairing mode, discoverable mode. And now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode, basically within like 30 feet from me. And it did find it already, still in pairing mode. Oh no, it just disappeared. We're still in the pairing mode. Let's go back to it, that was weird. Let's go back to settings, remotes and accessories, add accessory. We're gonna go OK here. And okay, OpenFit right there, let's highlight it. OK on the remote, it says pairing. We should get a pairing request. It's highlighted on pair, OK on the remote. Connecting, and now it says paired. And voila, you can see it says connected right there. So pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.